Okay, so our next question is asking us, what is the formula for the surface area of a box? Okay. Okay. So first, let's draw a box. Should be something look like this, and some characteristic in terms of the surface area of a box is that first it has um, six faces, which includes two sides, top and bottom, and front and back. Okay, and they are either rectangular or squares in shape. Okay, either squares or rectangular in shapes. Okay. So since the shape of the box is comparable to a rectangular prism, we can use a formula for the surface area of the rectangular prism to get the surface area of the box. Okay, and first let's call this the length as L, the width as W, and the height as H. Okay, and yeah, so in terms of the surface area of top and bottom, I'll use yellow to highlight this two part. The bottom part is right here, and we have the top part. So that will be L times H, which is just the times width. And remember, we have a top and a bottom, so there are going to be two pieces of area. So we need to times 2. Okay, and we also have the surface area of front and back. Okay. Which is gonna be L times H. And since there are two of them, so we need to times 2 as well. And lastly, we have surface area of size. Okay, and I'll use blue to indicate that. The one on the left and the one on the right. Okay, and as you can see here, it's gonna be W times H. And since there are two of them, so that's gonna be 2 times W times H. Yeah, so our last step will be just need to add them up. So we will have the surface area will be equal to 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH, which can be also written as 2 times LW plus LH plus WH. You can write them either way. Yeah. And yeah, so now let's write the conclusion. Therefore, the formula for the surface area of the box is A is equal to 2 times WH plus LH plus LW. Okay, and yeah, so let's try this with an example. So let's say we have a box given by length as, let's say L is equal to 10, width is equal to 5, height is equal to 2. Okay, so if we want to know the surface area of this box, we just need to simply apply our formula, which is given by A is equal to 2 times WH plus LH plus LW. I mean, you can also write as HW, HL plus WL. Doesn't matter the order. The order doesn't matter. So noted L is equal to 10, H is equal to 2, W is equal to 5. We have A is equal to 2 times H times W, which is 2 times 5, plus H times L, which is 2 times 10, plus W times L, which is 5 times 10. And we just need to simplify this, so that's going to be 10 plus 20 plus 50. Alright, so that's going to be 2 times 80, which is going to give us 160. That's our answer. Okay. Yep, so that's how we find the surface area of a box. Oh, and just one more thing. If we have a box that has 6 faces, 6 surfaces are both square, so all of the faces are squares, you just need to calculate one area of one side and then just times 6. Okay. Okay, so let's leave a comment. Solution is correct. Well done.